Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Mastery Coding. Unleashing your potential. In this video I will show you how to start in programming and go on an exciting journey into the world of programming. Coding is simply writing instructions that a computer can understand. It's like learning a new language, only this language is spoken by machines. First, let's choose a programming language to start with. Some popular options for beginners include Python, JavaScript and C++. Each language has its own strengths and areas of application. Next, we need to set up our coding environment. You will need a text editor for writing your code and compile or interpret it to run it. Many coding platforms like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text can help you get started easily. Now it's time to dive in and start coding. You can begin with simple programs that display messages or perform basic calculations. Just remember to start small and gradually progress to more complex projects. A great way to enhance your coding skills is through practice and building projects. You could create a personal website, a simple game, or even automate a task. The possibilities are endless. When you encounter challenges, don't get discouraged. Coding is all about problem solving, and even experienced programmers face obstacles. Reach out to online communities or forums for help and guidance. As you gain confidence and skills, consider joining coding bootcamps or taking online courses to deepen your knowledge. These resources offer structured learning and can help accelerate your coding journey. Remember, coding is not just about the end result, it's about the process of problem solving, creativity and continuous learning. Embrace the challenges and enjoy the rewards of this incredibly fulfilling skill. Thank you for watching. I hope this beginner's guide has inspired you to unleash your programming potential. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more programming tips and tutorials. Happy coding!